Hi. So we're continuing with the spin art experiment today, and we're gonna work with more blues, some ultramarine blue, and also sort of an indigo purple that I mixed up, white, and then also I've got this, I think it's just a tint of my ultramarine blue. So we will use those, and I don't think we need to add, that'll be some good contrast with the white. And I'm thinking, I'm not quite sure what technique I'm going to use. I'm just going to go with the flow and see how it's looking. And so we'll just see how it goes, all right? All right, so let's aim it down here at the canvas. I'm going to coat the canvas. Ooh, let's coat the canvas in ultramarine blue. I've never done that before. Look, I'm already totally changing what I thought I was going to do. Well, I just screwed it up because ultramarine blue doesn't go with indigo. I guess it does. Ugh. We'll just make it work. And then the last one I'll do what I said I was going to do. All right. Coating the sides here. I know I said I don't bother with that, but sometimes I do, I guess. All right. A little bit more in the center since it's gone bald. Come off its, oh yeah, I forgot to. So I have this, since this is like this, I'll show you my setup. There you go. It's the bat. I have screwed the bat to a yardstick, which is screwed to the canvas frame. And I had forgotten to push it all the way down onto the pins. Now it's good. Okay. Now I'm going to do a stripe of white down the center. And should I just see what the white and the blue do together? Because sometimes monochromatic is beautiful. I need a little more blue though. Yep. If we don't like it, we can always add to it. All right. And I'm going to tilt it off to one side because I sort of like it when it goes one way and not the other. All right, here we go. Maybe I want to agitate it a little bit first. Just break it up, see how that pattern plays out. Obviously, I have no plan because I keep changing my plan. Well, that's interesting. pop some air bubbles and let it sit for a second before I make any decisions that I might regret. I don't normally have to pop air bubbles, but the Phthalo Blue was a last minute addition to my color palette today, and so therefore it got shaken up late and didn't get time for the air bubbles to settle out. Well, this is cool, but now I sort of wish it would have gone in both directions. So I'm gonna drag some in here and let that do something. Do we need more white? That's not enough paint anymore. That's pretty. I'm thinking I might not even spin it anymore. It's sort of nice to have the contrast of the spun and the not spun. Let's look at it up close. Does it make sense like it is, or does it need... Is it strangely two parallel universes that need more connection? Which one looks closer and which one looks farther away? What is up and what is down? This is too beautiful to mess up with the spinning, right? I think I'm gonna leave it. That's crazy painting. Okay, so this one's weird. It's beautiful, but I don't know what I think about it yet. I don't know which way it's going to orient. I don't know if I like it yet. There's just a strange contrast between this half and this half. And I definitely love this half. So I might have to revisit what I did there on a canvas without the spin part, because that's gorgeous and it was so simple. It was just phthalo blue with white swiped over it. But anyways, we'll wait till it dries, we'll put it on an easel, we'll mess around with different orientations, and then we'll decide what we think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe, click the bell icon in order to get more notifications. And don't forget to check out my paintings and my merch like this shirt on hoelscherart.com. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Did you know I have an Instagram? I do. I update it daily. Lots of new posts on what I'm working on, new ideas, and my most current projects. You can keep track of what I'm up to on there. So go and follow me. Check it out.